Hi you guys, Sylwia here, and welcome all to my 1K views per day review. So here I am. This is the review access to 1K views per day by the one and only Jeremy Kennedy. Super cool guy, amazing vendor, top affiliate. He will show you how to smash it. Guys, this product is going live tomorrow, the 5th of August, 10 a.m. New York time. It might be actually today by the time I manage to upload this video on YouTube. It's approaching midnight, so it's the 4th of August, but approaching midnight in London. Anyhow, never mind. Guys, a brilliant training course. Of course, I covered the funnel. I have some amazing bonuses in my head, which I am still to prepare for you, but they will be amazing custom-made bonuses. So if you pick up this product via my link below my review, this is actually the sales page, okay? And what I truly appreciate about Jeremy is how simple he keeps his, I don't know, sales pages, promotions. Unless he launches with another vendors like Dave Espino, then they're kind of more flashy, but this one is a quickie. Okay, so because I mean he was seeing results from the method he's showing you, and this method will, guys, teach you how to generate number one, free, number two, targeted traffic in any niche you can possibly think of, using other people's reels as R-E-E-L, not like real stuff, reels, okay? Those short videos that you can, well, the example he gives you in his training course, which is short and sweet to the point. The first video, guys, is half an hour long, in which he shows you the whole process. The second one is about 5 minutes long. It's sort of like a follow-up case study, okay? It's sort of like, it's on the spot, okay? It's all done in a very transparent way, okay? And then below you have just a few upsells and voila. But this is the main training course, this video, half an hour long, okay? So he's using Instagram as the source of traffic to generate views, free views, I mean thousands of views, and he's done it within a period of 9 days, I mean 9 days, like seriously, and generated thousands and thousands of views, okay, to his videos, to his reels that he did not make himself. He just used other people's content. Now, legally, big time legally, it's all white hat, okay? And the creators of those videos will be grateful to you that you are actually using their content, but you will be able to upload them on your either Instagram, or you can use TikTok as well, or as YouTube Shorts. Right, I'll be using this method myself. I'm very grateful to Jeremy that he gave me the review access, and I was like, wow, this is just amazing stuff. And do not be surprised if I come back to you with some case studies. Like lately I've been really like fascinated by quite a few products, and I'm doing the stuff. Like, for example, the software I promoted the other day by iPause, which generates Sudoku books, this and that. So I use it for generating a Sudoku book myself. I mean, I love the one. I actually created it with my daughter, and I'll be publishing it on Amazon, KDP, on Etsy, on Teachers Pay Teachers, brilliant platform for educational books, products, okay? And yeah, I'll follow up with a case study once I got it all published. So I'm loving the fact that, you know, like I'm putting all of the knowledge into action, and yeah, I'll get back to you with case studies. So guys, with this, what I'll do with this product, okay, I will use the method from this training course, create another Instagram account. I also start a new Instagram account, just like Jeremy Kennedy did. And I will use my lovely exercise bands as the to promote them. I mean, I use Instagram, a newly opened Instagram account in a health and exercise fitness niche to exercise, not to exercise, to promote my exercise bands. Like, I have this personal account here. Okay, so I have the exercise bands connected to my personal account, but this is not a professional account. I can obviously switch it to a professional account, and that's what Jeremy advises you to do as well. Like, from the start, create a professional account, set it up as a professional account, because it sort of like gives you a boost. Your account is taken more seriously. Okay, so but I have, even though it's just my personal account, I still have, you know, this website to the bands, which is my affiliate link, the website of, you know, Sylwia Gumienna is my name. Okay, connected to it, but I'll start a new account. I have another account, guys, and I'm actually gonna create a bonus for you, how to create this sort of like fancy looking profile for your Instagram. I'll do that. And then also in another bonus, I'll create probably 2 bonuses for you, okay? Because I have this in Make Money Online niche. I haven't been very active on it, but you know, now when Jeremy gave me the idea on how to use other people's viral videos, which are popular, okay, legally on my Instagram account. I haven't been doing reels. As you can see, I have just one reel here. Mainly was pictures, but it's not as powerful as reels are. The reels are, because they are trendy. People watch them. They're short, like YouTube Shorts, TikTok stuff. Okay. So what I have actually, but I did connect a Linktree account. Linktree link URL, yeah, that I created quite a while ago. And let me just click on that. Okay, you see, this is it's a page you can generate for free using Linktree, and I'm gonna create for you another bonus on how to create this, because Jeremy does mention this is the way to monetize your Instagram account, but he doesn't show you how to create it. You know, mind you, it is simple to do it, but if you've never used it before, if you have never used this platform before, you may appreciate some guidance. I've done it before. I know how to do it. I'll guide you through the process of doing that. So you'll also get it as one of my bonuses if you pick up 1K views per day via the link below my review. Okay, cool deal. So I'll do that for you, and I'll show you how to generate a beautiful page like this. As you can see, these are my affiliate links connected to this Linktree link, which I have here on my profile. Okay, and everybody knows that, you know, you go to the bio to check out, to learn more about the user of that account, right? And to check out the links, the websites, the YouTube channels, this and that. I mean, on a page like that, you see I have my Facebook connected to it, so that's going to redirect you to my page. I have my YouTube channel connected to it, so voila, that's my YouTube channel, isn't it? I have my lead magnet connected to it, so beautiful pages I have connected to it. Now I'll know how to drive probably millions. Yeah, I'll hold my horses, but thousands of views. I mean, Jeremy was able to do it within 9 days. He generated like thousands and thousands of views to a newly opened Instagram account, so anybody can do it too. So guys, I strongly recommend you to check out this, you know, sales page below my review. Grab this product, amazing stuff. You're gonna totally love it. It's just going to take you over half an hour to empower yourself with knowledge and skill, like hands-on, okay, how to set it all up and how to, to master this method of driving free targeted traffic. Thousands and thousands of eyeballs to your reels, to your Instagram. It doesn't have to be Instagram, okay? It's just an example. You can do it on your TikTok, you can do it on Facebook, you can do it on even as YouTube Shorts, all right? So drive traffic, free traffic to your content. And now let me just show you what funnel you will have. So the front end, guys, only $11 worth every penny, every cent of it. Okay, so you're gonna learn how Jeremy is getting over 1K views per day from the very first day with brain that easy 15-second reels, and that's the truth. Okay, that's the truth. And there will be a bump order, so-called overnight IG accelerator for $19. So to do with, you know, how to accelerate your traffic generation with Instagram. Upgrade number 1, done for you daily traffic drip. It's going to be for, you can get a trial for $1, and then for, I believe, the first 7 days or so, and then it will switch to monthly. It's a rotator, okay? And then $9 a month. There will be a bump offer on this upgrade number 1, so on OTO number 1, called Fully Auto Traffic Machine for $97. Traffic machine, any upsells to do with traffic coming from extremely experienced, like super affiliates, is something you want to get because, you know, it has worked for them, so it may as well work for you too. And you want to learn from the experienced guys who have been there, done it, got plenty of t-shirts. Upgrade number 2, Warrior Chat Community and Mastermind for $19, guys. It's always nice to be part of a like-minded community. So all of the upsells sound great for me, very congruent with the front offer as well. You've got the, you know, community, you've got the traffic, rotator if you want, IG like Instagram accelerator, so very congruent with what this product is all about, okay? So guys, really amazing stuff, something you probably don't want to miss out on, so get it via the link below my review. I'm also gonna, tomorrow morning, do my best to prepare your bonuses. I mean, by the time it goes live, my bonuses should be ready. If they're not, yeah, give me a few hours. Do it by the end of tomorrow, so don't worry, you'll get your bonuses. Alright, love you and leave you guys. Again, get that link below my review. 10 a.m. New York time, the 5th of August, it goes live. So 1K views per day by Jeremy Kennedy. Cool stuff. Alright, ciao, bye bye.